guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning and decorating. We're going to be decorating for the fall. I'm so excited. I mean, I'm sad summer's over because summer is my favorite, but I love fall. I love fall decor. I love sitting outside and having like a fire, and I'm so excited to use our new like deck furniture and fire table and sit outside and watch, hopefully, Red Sox play through September and into October. I don't know. If anyone follows Red Sox, they were doing so well all year and now they are like tanking. So we're hoping to watch some baseball. If not, we'll be watching football and all of that. So I am so excited. I did very minimal decor. I typically do unless it's Christmas. Christmas, no holds bar. I go all out for Christmas, but I just do some small updating on my decor, put out some pumpkins, put out some pretty fall stuff and all that, nothing too crazy. So we are going to get decorating. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed. I do tons of cleaning, organizing, decorating, lifestyle, and like routine videos and all of that. And there's gonna be a ton of that because the kids are back at school. So we are coming up with some new daily routines, some new scheduling. I'm going to get back on a cleaning schedule. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know I used to do a cleaning schedule, but I kind of have gotten out of that because it's just been summer and we've been busy and doing tons of stuff. So, but I need to get back onto doing that and like structuring my day a little better because my ADHD brain is like out of control. I figured like I've had it my entire life. I've never been on anything. I have never, like, I've always been able to deal with it. And as I get older, I'll be 35 in October, it's like getting worse. So I'm like so excited to go to my doctor and like ask her for some help because I'm like, I don't know how, like, it's the functioning of this brain is like sparks are, or what is that saying? Things are like flickering, sparking. I don't know, you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, I digress from all of that. I am going to get decorating. I only got a few new things. The little sprigs that I used out in the planter out on the front porch, I got at the dollar store. I got a couple little small things at the dollar store last time I was there, but that's it. Usually I go to Hobby Lobby and do all that, but I did that last year and I don't need anything. I like all the decor that I have. I feel like I have plenty and I really don't need anything. So I'm working with what I got other than those few things I got at the dollar store. But like I said, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you let me know if you are new here. I would love to get to know you, and let's get decorating.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help.
So now I'm just moving on to the mantle. I'm just getting it wiped down with some thieves cleaner, and then I am going to decorate the mantle. That is my favorite part of decorating, I think, the whole house. I just feel like it's such a focal point in the house. We have like a very open floor plan, and I can't wait to get rid of this little craft thing because it's like an eyesore. It's all I'm looking at while I'm doing this voiceover. But you'll see I put some things here, and like I have that wreath on the thing to the chimney, but I end up moving that. I move a bunch of things around after like filming and even a couple of days after, so you never know where things are going to end up. But the final little clip that you do see is how everything looks right now.
Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open got to know if you feel the things I do.
So I absolutely love putting fake plants out on this planter on my front porch now. I typically always do fresh plants, but this year I just feel like nothing ever, it gets enough sun, it doesn't get any rain, if it gets to get watered, and it always looks sad like right away. So I found these awesome flowers, some I had from last year, and some I got some new ones, like these beautiful, like the draping ones off the side. I absolutely love them, and it looks really, really nice, and for super inexpensive. So I do suggest visiting the Dollar Tree for some of your floral stuff because they have great stuff, and it's only $1.
Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you. A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. Closer than before.
So we are all done decorating. I am going to do like a little walkthrough and show you everything. I'll tell you where I got everything from, if I remember. And show you my fall wreath that I made. I'm so proud of myself and I absolutely love it. So I did a whole video on it, so you will be seeing that either before this video or right after, so make sure you check it out on my channel. But I'm gonna go outside. We're gonna start out on the front porch and then I'll walk you through the house. So this is the front porch. We have that little sea pumpkin that I got at Christmas tree shop like a million years ago, our lantern, and all of these fake flowers. I love them. I'll get some real mums, but I love to use fake flowers in here because I feel like here's a tough spot to keep things alive, and those are just wood that I found around in my neighborhood. So I love, love, love the way this came out. And I still have my same rugs here. And then this is my wreath that I made. I'm so excited. I love the way it came out. I am obsessed. Everything was from the dollar store. So like I said, make sure you check out that video if you haven't already. So then we walk up into the living room. Like I said, it's very simple decor, nothing crazy. We'll start right here. We just have this little end table. I had to put that berm away. I was sweeping off the front porch while I was decorating out there. So I just have this little, whatever you call this, like a, oh my God, my brain, my goodness. This little thing of leaves. And we have this little cloth pumpkin, which I love. I think I bought him last year. And then this Farm Fresh hand-picked pumpkins sign, which was from the dollar store from a few years ago. So that is what that looks like. Very simple. I loved the colors and like the orange and the little pumpkins there together. And then I just have these little 3 pillows that I've had for so many years. So I'm bringing back the buffalo check. Love it. Buffalo check is like my favorite for the fall and through the winter. So I have the blanket folded out the other way. I've had it faced like just the white side for the summer and the spring, but I have that little Friends pillow there. And then one that says fall, one that says family. Then I have this little pumpkin here. I have a book that sits out here, but it's about like all about our town. So I just moved it so no one sees exactly where we live. So I have that there. I also have a sign up there with our like coordinates and stuff on our town too. So that's facing down as well. But I just put my plants here just to get some good sun while they are growing. I have this little gray felt pumpkin here. I have a black felt pumpkin here on top of like our name books. And then the fireplace, which I love, and I am so excited. There will be a video coming soon. This whole mess is gone because the kids are both in school full time. There's no need of this. It's like you can see it's a disaster in all of that. So this will be leaving. So excited for that. But I just have this little, they're like the berry little twig things that lays out there. I cannot think of the name of it. I want to say lanyard, and I know that's obviously wrong. But we have that, and then this Simply Grateful sign. And I have these 2 different little black and white pumpkins. One's the buffalo check. This I've had since I owned my first house when I was like 21 years old. I've had this thing forever. We have this little harvest sign, and then we just have a little group of pumpkins, and I love that little 3-stacked one that says be grateful. Super cute. All these little felt pumpkins were from the dollar store. This one's like a dark blue, and this one's like a really pretty emerald green. So we have those. I think that looks super cute. So then over here we have this little, there was always something to be grateful for. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and I want to say it was like after fall, and it was like $1 or something crazy, but I thought that was really cute. Then I put some of this little twine here around my lantern. I have my little candle going, an oatmeal, milk, and honey candle. I have this little like pumpkin cutout, and I have this little soft orange pumpkin in there. And I love this. It's not fall, but it's this little plant, and it says blame it all on my roots. I'm obsessed. If you saw, I got this in another video and I shared it in another vlog, but I just think it's like the cutest thing. So then the dining room table, I have the buffalo check runner back. I have this little sign that says bless our home. I have a little like wreath going around my succulent plant there. And then I have 2 more of those dollar store pumpkins. I have a really pretty burnt orange one, and then a really pretty green color. So I love the way all of that looks, and I love like tying in all of the buffalo check, like the plant, I'm sorry, the blanket, the pumpkins there, and then on the table it looks so much at all in the kitchen. We just have our September sign. I actually might hang like a little, one of those little twine things on there, I'm thinking maybe. I think it's cute. Then I just changed out the buffalo check here for these little placemats. I kept the wooden chargers and then just used my buffalo check napkins with these really pretty galvanized napkin ring holders. And then I have a little ceramic pumpkin there. And I love the way, like I said, that it ties everything in together, all of the buffalo check. I really don't have anything else much out here except for this little sign. This is new. I got that at the dollar store. So cute. I also got that at the dollar store that I just hung in my little wreath that was already on the window. So that looked really cute. And again, buffalo check. Love it. And then the only other thing is just this little orange pumpkin that I have on top of my butter, just to give it a little something something. That is it for today's video. I hope you love the way everything came out. I am super happy with it. I love that it's simple. It's very easy to like move things around. Like if I need to host a dinner party or anything like that, like I really don't need to like move a ton of stuff. Everything is just kind of just replacing a couple other smaller plants and more springy and summer things that I had. So love all the pumpkins, love all the buffalo check. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.